Hi guys, it's Karthik from Not a Pro Broadcast channel, and today I'm teaching you how to get Ultimate Cross Pathing mod in PTD6. So guys, what you have to do is come in this link. I will put it in the description. Then you guys have to you will come in this thing. Then you have to scroll down and tap this download button. I have already downloaded it, and after downloading a file named ultimate cross pathing will appear here, and after downloading it you have to cut it. I will download once more. Oh God. Just tap the green button, keep, and then you have to go to downloads. This file will come, you have to cut it, and then you have to go where your btd6 is, and then you have to paste it in the mods. I already have, so I won't paste it. Okay guys, so after pasting it, I will just delete because I already have it. After pasting it, you have to turn on the game. Turn on the game. Okay guys, and one more thing, you guys have to download a btd6 mod helper, any one of them. You can find a btd6 mod helper by searching on Google. I will put it a link to PDD6 mod. Sorry. Hello. Yeah, you have to go to Nexus mods. Mhm. After going into, you have to tap the download button manual. Then you have to do slow download. Tap After tapping on slow download, you have to do the same thing. You have to do the same thing. Go to downloads, cut it, and paste it in the mod folder. You have to make one. You have to make a mod folder because it requires some mod folder. M should be capital. Paste it there, and then what you have to do is extract here. Then after extracting, this thing will come. This is done now. Now you don't have to do anything else. You have to no. You have to do one thing. Is that thing is to download Melon Loader. You have. I will put this link in description. You have to go to this site. You have to um, tap on latest, and then you have to install it. Then after doing this, Melon.exe will come. Then what you have to do is go to downloads. Then you have to run as admin. I already have done it, so I won't do it once more. After you have to run it as admin, and then what you have to do is nothing. Just open the game. I'll just delete it. Okay. That now you have to open the game, and a melon loader thing will come here. Okay, don't have to do anything in that. Now you have to do run as admin, and click yes. Then this thing will come. Don't panic because it is the loader, melon loader, because for what you call it, mods, you have to do loaders, melon loader. That's why we have to do melon loader. And then Wait until BTD6 comes. I don't know why is it lagging. It never lags. I don't know why is it lagging. Huh. Okay then. Now you have to start and this message will come. Don't panic because it's just a game. Client means melon loaded. So tap OK. Nothing will happen. No virus. Then and now I will tell how to take ultimate cross pathing mode. Use ultimate cross pathing mode. What you have to do, I'll just show it in sandbox because I will upload a video of it later. So what you have to do is just take a tower and wait a minute guys, let me see you, let me tell you one thing. Tap on first go to settings, then mod options, and then ultimate cross pathing, and then scroll down and you will see here execute order 66. It will be black but you have to do it, tap it and then it will be blue means activated. If you don't activate it you can only cross path 7 upgrade means you can do 331 or 411 or something like that. But if you uh, toggle it means activated it, then you can even do a 555 tower means I will show you, just I'll show you like this guys. This is a wizard. I will just upgrade it. See, 555 wizard. Now you can do 555 wizard, but if you will get it deactivated because you have to activate it. But if you don't activate it, then you can't do 555 tower. You can you can't do then 555 tower. You can only do like 3 3 and 1. It will max upgrade because it's a cap at 7, but if you activated you can do a 555 tower. That's it in this video. Just toggle it and guys, this was the video, so enjoy guys, bye.